Good afternoon. I just had an FUT procedure with Dr. Lamb and his crew here at the Lamb Institute. And this journey began about 9 months ago. I had previously had several hair transplant procedures that very nice folks, but it didn't go as I anticipated, especially after a few years. It just didn't look right. So I began some research on the internet and I found Dr. Lamb, wonderful testimonials. It almost seemed to be too good to be true. So I scheduled an appointment with Dr. Lamb, and about 8 months ago, I came in and met with them. Had a very nice procedure, very nice office visit. And from there, we scheduled a procedure. They also put me on a product called 82F, which was way better than the minoxidil or Propecia that I had been using. That helped. But then the best was yet to come. When I got here to their facility, the hospitality, the greetings, they made me feel right at home. Matter of fact, I'm not sure I want to leave. It was so good. But it was a great procedure, professionalism beyond a 10. And I strongly recommend Lamb Facial Plastics for hair transplantation, transplantation, pardon me. And I would definitely come back again. And it's been a great process.